Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I am going to swatch this palette. This palette is the Tarte Maneater. This is the After Dark. There are several palettes that are called Maneater palettes, and this is the After Dark. And my ring light catches that. And I got this palette that is a $52 value. I got it for $15 on Ipsy with their Beauty Boost. And it was the choice, the Beauty Boost came around and they would choose one item and it would be $15 and you got what you got. And then recently, I don't know how long ago it was, you started to be able to choose. So they gave us choices. I joined just for this palette. So the other choices was a Luxie Willow, excuse me if my handwriting, I can't even read my own handwriting. It was a collapsible blow dryer, which was nice for traveling. Maison Louis Marie perfume, Briogeo hair repair, a Dominique essential palette, which was very beautiful as well, and Juice Beauty stem cellular anti-wrinkle moisturizer. Now that right there, if I didn't care for this palette, I would have gotten the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer, $70 value for $15 because I love Juice Beauty. It's one of my favorite product brands. Okay, so I want to swatch this. And my Ipsy Boxy video, I didn't want it to get too long. So this is the box, and if you didn't see that video, y'all, this is stunning. All right, how it's wrapped is really nice. It is in... I like when they do this with palettes. I've seen it on many nice palettes. And now, of course, I can't get it out of here to show you, but there is a cardboard that goes, you know, this nice cushioned cardboard that goes all around the palette to protect it. So it's really wonderful. And this is what it looks like. And I don't know that you can see how fabulous this is, because you're not here with me in the ring light. If you have this palette, please let me know what you think. The other side is all brass looking. It's plastic. But to me, this looked like a handbag. It looks like an evening bag going out for the evening. So it's gorgeous, and I'm so excited about it. There is the color saver that says Maneater on it. And then the mirror says Tarte Maneater at the bottom of the mirror. And let me show you the colors, and then we will swatch. I'll show them to you upright. So there it is. And you know, I have to tell y'all, as you know if you have any palette that I've ever shown, the camera doesn't do it justice. It's gorgeous, yes, but it's even more gorgeous in person. So before I start, let me tell you what I'm wearing. Because I filmed a PR video and I couldn't tell you what I'm wearing, so I'm going to tell you now. I have on right now the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions. And this is a favorite. It's a favorite. You see I use it quite a bit. It's all shimmers. I love it. Love it, love it. And I used Huda Beauty's Lip Contour lip liner. And what is this color, if it has a color name? It's Heartbreaker. Oh no, I never can remember that. But that's the lip liner that I used. And then I used my MAC Lippy. This is the one that is Ruby Woo. And that's what I have on. So let's swatch. Let's swatch, shall we? I love a swatch party, y'all. I don't know what I just got all over this, but it's so beautiful. I want to hang it up on the wall. It's so gorgeous. Okay. All right, let's see. Uh-oh. One of the palettes has sort of moved a little bit. Let's see. I'm going to try to do this. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, so. I don't know what noise I'm hearing. It's nice outside. This is playful. I'm going down. Enamored, charming, and this is feline myself. And this was really creamy, and it messed up my beautiful print in there. So maybe I should have wore something. Oh, did I just put that all over me? I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but we'll figure it out. See, look at that. Oh my goodness. And see, these others are my skin tone, so, but here, this is very, very creamy, and I'll have to be careful with the others. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. I love copper. Copper is one of my very favorite colors for eyes, for my eyes. All right, then we'll go down to get that all off my fingers. I'm gonna try to be more gentle. It's hard. It's hard. It has a pattern in it, so it's hard to do it. This is Lust, Heartbreaker. Oh my goodness. This is Fantasy. Look at that. And this one is Intense. I got some fur on me. Let's see if I... Oh, wow. Look at those. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The shimmers. The shimmers. I'll show you the palette when I'm done because I'm messing it up. I am messing it up. Trying not to get the shimmers just are thick. This is Mischievous, Desire, Wild at Heart, and Temptress. Now this looks way darker in the pan than on my finger. Let's put these here. Oops. Not the best swatch job there, but look at those pretty colors. I'm not really into oranges so much. Terracotta is okay, but yellows are not my thing, just because it brings out the yellow in my skin. All right, now this one, see, it has a print on it, so yeah. These other shimmers are the same. They're the same type of formula, but they don't all have the print in them. So this is Sensual, Heated. Is that what that says? Yeah. Oh, look at that. Hot in here. It's getting hot in here. On the Prowl. Look, oh my goodness. These, oh my goodness, these, like metal tones. Woohoo! Okay. Let's see, this one. Oh, I love these shimmers are fabulous. This is Passion. It's brown. It's hard to see. This is Sundown, Nightfall, and Moody. This one is a burgundy. I don't know. I didn't hit that one well, but you can see it a little bit. Yeah, I'm not doing the best job, y'all. Sorry. There's just so many. There's 18. No, there's 24. There's 24 of them, so I guess I'm trying to fit them all on my arm. Okay, let's see. In the last line, has this black in here. This is Insatiable, Alluring, Animal Instinct is the black, and Nocturnal is that one. Look at that, y'all. Look at the pigment. Now, I know you can't see some of these very well, but there's great pigment to them. It's just that they're the same color as my skin, so it's hard. And I didn't swatch that well. That was my fault. Oh, it's all like animal colors. It's really fabulous. Fabulous. Look at those shimmers. Oh my goodness. Look at those shimmers. Okay, so these shimmers are very much like the shimmers from Nomad. They're very creamy, and whereas the mattes are dry. So you can see I have done some damage to the palettes, but I plan on using this palette, so it's not flat and beautiful like it was. And then these with the prints in them, that print is raised, so some of them got buckled down some, but that is it. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, these colors to me are very summery. If you have a wonderful tan, I don't get tan, so I'm going to use them. They're also very fall and winter-like to me. And I mean, I don't necessarily think, you know, that I can't use it all year, because that's what I think. I use stuff all year. I use what I like. So that's that, y'all. Thanks for stopping by to see this gorgeous palettes. And I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the Beauty Boost. We'll see, because I don't know how that really works. I mean, if the next item I don't care for, well, they show you one, and then I don't think you get to see, well, you might see some spoilers here and there about what else is available. But a lot of it has been up to this point. I know they have had other palettes, but a lot of it is maybe skincare and things like that that I have a lot of. So I don't know that I need to do it, but I also don't want to cancel. And then a couple months down the line, they have some other fabulous palette, and then I sign up again and they say, she comes in and out, and we don't like that. They may say that, I don't know. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what comes up this next for May, and we'll go from there. So, oh wow, I just can't get over. I love it. I love it. Y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.